Before installing a new refrigerator or freezer door gasket, proper preparation is essential for an airtight seal. Skipping these steps risks poor sealing, temperature issues, and energy waste. New gaskets often arrive creased from storage and shipping, preventing proper sealing, but this is easily fixed in minutes without a technician. Welcome to HnK Parts. First, make sure your refrigerator is level. Place a spirit level on top of the fridge. If it is not balanced, adjust the front leveling feet until it sits evenly. A refrigerator that is not level can cause the door to hang improperly and prevent the gasket from sealing as it should. Next, clean the door gasket and the door frame thoroughly. Use warm water mixed with a small amount of mild dish soap. Wipe both surfaces with a soft cloth to remove dust, grease, or any packing residue. This step helps ensure proper contact between the gasket and the frame. Once cleaned, dry everything completely. Now take a hairdryer and set it to low or medium heat. Hold it about 6 to 8 inches away from the gasket and slowly warm the entire seal. Spend about 20 to 30 seconds on each section to soften the material. Be careful not to overheat the gasket. While the gasket is warm and flexible, close the door and gently press on any areas where gaps are visible. This allows the gasket to mold to the door frame. Keep the door closed for 5 to 10 minutes so the gasket can cool and set into place. Finally, test the seal by placing a piece of paper or a dollar bill between the gasket and the frame. Close the door and pull it out. You should feel resistance. If it slides out easily, repeat the heating and pressing process in that area. That is it. Your refrigerator door should now seal tightly and operate more efficiently. If you need a replacement gasket or other refrigerator parts, visit HnKParts.com. We offer genuine and compatible parts with fast shipping. Thanks for watching.